Alright, good luck, let's go. Whoop, whoops. Go. Let's go. 11 people won 8. Congrats. 3,000 for the top winner. Here we go, guys. Vibes and that, yeah? Gear 1 saying we want a top slot win. If you give me a nice in the chat like everyone else is doing, well, you know what to do, right? Here we go, here we go. We're spinning, guys. Good luck. That's more like it. It's nice to see that the phrase is more common in the chat now, guys. 7x cash on. Wait. Have we done it, guys? Have we done it? The power of the... Oh, baby! So for those people, guys, this one's for you. The power of the... Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! For those people that did not doubt me, enjoy this bonus round, guys. 100, but wait, 7x from the top slot. Look at that. Ladies and gentlemen, 700, final time. Let's go. Symbols and multipliers are not related. You're given approximately 15 seconds to pick one of the symbols. If not, random symbols picked for you by the system. Here we go, guys. Let's get this money. Here we go. Good luck. My symbol for this round will be, I guess I got a bit of time here. I'll take this sheriff's badge. This one's mine, guys. That sheriff's badge is mine. If there's a 700, well, you know. 175, actually, not too bad. The power of the... Enjoy, guys. Let's head back to the wheel now, yeah? How many people won? Let's take a look. 7,126 people won. Congrats, winning time again.
Check out Crazy Time again, booking top winners. Alright, everybody, let's get back to the game. This is the betting time. You can autoplay, you can bet on all. Welcome, welcome. Yeah. So far, it is kind of dry. Yeah, it's a dry one. A dry session so far. But let's see. 5x on cash hunt. You know, Robin. Yes, I do. And you? Do you? Mahid, yes. Is that your favorite host? Ooh. Oh, cash hunt. Oh, it's cash hunt 5x. Yeah. Okay. Okay. See ya. Oh wow, that's a nice spicy thing. Hello, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Make it 5x, please. Max multi 500x. It's me and my Okay, now choose what you want to go for. Well, we're mixing it all up. Remember, now you want to find a 500x. Yes. I said it again. Oh, there. So again, I will go for the cupcake there. Right next to the bird. Bird is like, Laura, I'm gonna eat the cupcake. I'm like, no, you're vegan. You're not supposed to. So, lol. You can also auto-pick if you don't want to be violent. Violent? Violet. Yo, ultraviolet. Okay, whoa! We got 27 winners on 500x, 197 winners on 375x. Alright, that was good. Let's get back to the game. Congratulations to all the 2,912 winners. Good, right? Oh, John, 250. Whoa.
No, it's up. Can you sing the no-no square? Oh my. Wait, how was the no-no square? No, touch me there. This is my no-no square. No, don't touch me there. This is my no-no square. Or something like that it was, yeah? Alright, good luck, let's go. Whoops. Good luck, everybody. 4x crazy time. Come on. Around the wheel. Na. Come on. Oh, come on. Let's go. 4x crazy time. Let's go. Woo!
Yes, you can in. Come in, come in.
Let's go. Oh, look at the big button. Yo, what's poppin', everybody? Oots, oots. Oots, oots. Let's go. Forex, do your magic. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 easy with those. Alright, so the Forex it is. Oh my, some doubles would be great then, huh? Double, can we get some double? Choose your flapper, green, blue, yellow, yellow, blue, green, or the flapper will choose. Well, I'm gonna choose you there, so 400X is the big one. Can we get a double? Can we get a double, please? Come on, 400X is at the moment the big yabba dabba doo doo ooh.
Wow.
What are we having? Green with the 80X, 200X. Hello, blue, 100X. Hello, yo!
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTCHS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.
Wondering how to make a play all night, looking your way from out of sight, thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right, ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Said you look good in the dim bar light, so damn cheesy. Who'd have thought you'd fall for somebody like me? When you asked my name, I panicked, so out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked and I think about you a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. Took you out and showed you the city. How'd you let somebody so pretty's what they said to me? Yeah, that's what they said to me. Well, they told me I didn't stand a chance, yeah. Face value, had you at a glance, yeah. But nobody ever asked if you could dance, yeah. Well, only one who did that was somebody like me.